Hi guys, welcome back. This is Maths 3000. Today I'm going to go over a couple of examples on the sine and cosine rule and show you when to use each one. Okay, so if you don't know already, the two formulas for the sine rule and the cosine rule are in the cloud here. So the sine rule is little a over sin capital A equals little b over sin capital B. And the formula for finding the side using the cosine rule is a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos capital A. Okay, so we're going to work out the missing sides in these two non-right angled triangles. Okay, so let's start off with this one here. Okay, so on this first example then, you notice that we have two side lengths and we're given the angle between those two side lengths. Okay, so when you're given two side lengths and the angle between these two sides, this is the cosine rule. Okay, so we're going to use a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos A. So let me just write that down. Okay, so we have the side x here, so if we call that side little a, always call the side you find in little a. So since that side there is opposite this angle, that would be capital A. And then this would mean this is B and this is C. It doesn't matter which way around you put B and C. It makes no difference to the final answer. So if we put these numbers into the formula, so it would be x squared equals, so it would be 5 squared plus 7 squared minus 2 times 5 times 7 times cos, and we got the angle which is 25. Okay, so if we put this on the calculator, so we got 5 squared plus 7 squared minus 2 times 5 times 7 times cos 25. Hit your equals. Okay, so we get this decimal here. So let me just write that down. Okay, so this is not our final answer because this is x squared. So to get our final answer, we need to square root that answer we've just worked out. Okay, so if we go square root, and it's stored in memory, that answer, so if you press the A and S key at the bottom, hit the equals, and that gives an answer of 3.2. We'll go to 2dp, so let's say 2.5. Okay, so that's our final answer there. So that's your cosine rule. So your cosine rule is when you've got two sides and you're given the angle between the two sides and you're finding the side opposite that angle. So let's move on to the second example. So this time we have the side length y. So in this question then we're given a side, and that side is the opposite this angle here. And we've got to work out this other side here, y. Yeah, and we're given the angle there. Okay, so the side we're finding is opposite this angle here. So if you notice with the sine rule, it comes in two pairs. So you have a side opposite an angle, and you're finding a side opposite another angle. Okay, so you have two pairs. Okay, so this is clearly the sine rule. So let's just write our formula down. So we've got little a over sin capital A equals little b over sin capital B. So if we substitute our numbers into the formula, okay, so let's just label it up first though. So y would be little a, because that's the side I'm finding. So this angle here would be capital A, and then the other pair would be little b and capital B. Okay, so little a is y, and we're dividing that by sin 20. Little b is 4, and we got sin 15 on the bottom there. Okay, so y is being divided by sin 20, so that means we've got to times both sides by sin 20 to get rid of it. So to get y, it'd be 4 over sin 15 times sin 20. So again, if you put this on the calculator, it's best to use your fraction key to do this. So it's 4 over sin 15. Make sure you close your brackets after the angles. Get it to the right. Times by sin 20. Close your bracket. Press your equals. And that's our side length there. Okay, so if we put equals, we'll do it to 2dp again, so it's 5.29 centimetres. Okay, so if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.